I
Clear
mean,
past the room.
it's like hard to, there's so many numbers. It's hard to tell.
It's interesting. So here we are, 14134.
Oh, is it? Does it
You gotta
go?
tap.
I don't know if you have to tap. Nope, maybe you do.
You have to. Is this our room? Did it not work?
14134.
Uh-oh. No working.
You try.
Claire's band didn't work. I have to go figure that out. Mine did, though. All right, here we are.
User error. Well, it scanned me into the ship, so
Yeah,
I don't know.
So it should work. All right. Coming into the stateroom for the first time. It's tight.
It's tight. Even for
tight.
a cruise ship, it's pretty tight. So we had seen other YouTube reviews of the cabins on Virgin Voyages, Scarlet Lady, and the comments for that, it's a tighter room, and you definitely feel that. It's a little claustrophobic in here, but thankfully we do have the balcony. Now, one thing that I really do like about Virgin is that you get water in your room, so you don't have to worry about bringing bottles of water or purchasing bottles of water, especially since Virgin Voyages does not have a drink package. So I believe that gets refreshed on the daily, but we'll see how that works out. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty standard room. One thing we are missing is the couch. And I think the original intent was for the bed to fold up into the couch during the day, but I don't think that's actually being implemented, as we see here.
Yeah, it's out. I wonder if it's because it's just a hassle to do that.
Oh yeah, that's too much for the attendants. The stateroom attendants already have enough to do.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to turn on the lights and everything because it's dark in here.
Oh.
So, got to use this app. Oh, okay, something turned on.
That's ambient lighting.
It was the light behind the mirror.
Oops. Ceiling.
Okay, that was the light behind the bed. This light back here.
And behind you, and I can make it brighter. A little bit brighter. That might be our options. Turn on and off the desk lamp.
Oh, yep, that works.
And something that I've been really interested in is the curtains.
Oh, I heard something. There he goes. Okay, that's pretty cool.
It's so unnecessary, but so cool. Oh, here's
back open.
All lights.
Okay.
Oh, that's daytime. Nighttime? No, that's turning them off. This might be about as good as it gets for lighting.
Okay. Oh well.
But yeah, everything is controlled through this tablet. I believe even the TV. And there are movies included, so you don't have to pay extra for the movies that are available. So right when you walk in, you have some hanging space. It's not enclosed by any type of door, but we do have a see-through curtain. We'll have to keep this a little bit tidy. And then it looks like life jackets. Yep, we do have a safe. I would say that safe could easily hold an iPad, maybe a small computer. That is a larger safe than what we're used to seeing. And some drawer space as well, but I do think we're going to miss our shelving space that we're so accustomed to. So we've got our water right next to the desk. The desk seems a little small. Michael's dream is to work off of a cruise ship, do his desk job from the cruise ship. I don't think that this is a very practical desk for that to happen at. No couch, but we do have a chair, and then the bed as well.
I guess to point out though, this is the Terrace room, so
yes,
it's just the standard balcony, if you will.
Yes. You want to check out the balcony?
Yeah, let's look at that.
So we're now out on the balcony. There are 2 metal chairs with a small table, but the real perk of the balcony on Virgin Voyages is the hammock. So this is something that, it's odd, but it's something that we've been looking forward to having on the balcony.
If you can't find me, you will find me on that. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
No couch in the room, but Michael does good at hammocks. Virgin Voyages is one of the, if not the newest, cruise line that is being offered in the United States. And with that comes some perks that we're not as used to. So we do have 1 American and 2 USB on the side of the bed, and we have some light controls. But let's...
Yeah, it did turn something on and off. Yep.
Okay, so, yep. That is nice to have and something that we're not used to on a cruise ship. So we'll check out the other side, but I assume it's the same. On the other side of the bed, we do have the light controls right next to the bed, but the outlets are further away from the bed, maybe just over a yard away. So next we'll go over to the bathroom. Oh, wow.
We're both not going to be able to fit in there, huh?
No.
No, it's tight.
I would say it's a pretty standard bathroom, but it's a little bit tighter than normal. You can go to the bathroom and wash your hands at the same time.
Hey, but look, we don't have a tube.
And we have a conditioner, hair conditioner.
Oh, yeah. Check that out.
That's nice.
That is nice, instead of a 3-in-1. But
Yes.
Look, we got a door here, so that's cool.
That's nice.
And
Another rainfall shower head.
And then a separate one.
So we've got Michael in the shower to give you a perspective.
So I'm actually only 5'8", so not very tall. And
you might have 6 inches above you.
With my elbows all the way out, I'm touching.
Oh.
I'm definitely touching the sides, and then above me, maybe another.
I think there's about 6, maybe 8 inches from your head, top of the head to your shower head.
To the shower head. So it's actually, it feels about the same as the Royal Caribbean tube, but I don't know.
With the clear glass, maybe it feels a bit more spacious.
Yeah, they don't have they don't have the shower curtain on some of the Royal Caribbean ones. So this is kind of odd. You have to open the door.
Oh yeah, towards
you, so you're shoved in the corner to open the door. But
yeah, Michael noted there's no little footrest or bench in the shower
to shave your legs.
Yeah.
So you open a door and put it on top of the sink. So,
have to get creative.
Yeah, but it's fine. It is tight though in here.
Right next to the desk, we do have a cooler
that we can't open. Oh, how is it deep?
No, it's about the same as what we're used to. For my birthday cruise, we were trying to take the leftover cake from the main dining room back to the room, but unfortunately the cooler was not big enough. So that's something that we've been looking for, a deeper cooler. You might have to get a real refrigerator for that. Well, we hope you enjoyed the room tour of cabin 14134Z. Is it a sea terrace? Is that what it's called?
Sea terrace, yeah.
A sea terrace aboard the Scarlet Lady, but now Safety Claire is in full action. Whoa. And it's time to do our muster. Michael got it, but when I asked the tablet to play the safety brief, it automatically projected it on the TV screen, which, I mean, that's pretty basic technology, but really wowed us on a cruise ship. But now that we have completed the safety briefing and confirmed that we both watched it, we can now see all the entertainment available. And all of these movies are just included. 10 Things I Hate About You, 13 Going on 30, American Underdog. What else is there? The Barbie movie, which is a pretty recent movie.
Oh, wow, that's new too.
What else is Bridget Jones's Diary, Casablanca, Coco.
Coco's on there?
Yeah.
Even though there's no kids on the ship?
Isn't that funny? Downton Abbey 2, very exciting for me, not as exciting for Michael.
Definitely not.
Elvis, again, very recent movie. Field of Dreams, all of these are just included and we can watch them in our cabin, so that's awesome.